2018 Ram SLT 6.7 diesel engine, turbo Cummins OBD2 bypass cable. I'm trying to use this one. It's not underneath steering wheel. There's nothing over there. It's not in the end top, like around the engine. It's behind the radio. First you have to take this off, and there's 4 bolts on radio, and radio comes off, and module is here. Let me show you the module. It's here. This is module. And there's the 2 other bolts here, one here and one here for the module. And module comes out like this, and there is glass cables for the module. You can see from here. That's your cables right here. Those 2 ports, also this 2, and that one goes to OBD2. So there's the module and 2 ports we are removing from modules and connecting it to this 12+8 cable, and goes to our scanner. 100% you have to work from passenger side, not from driver side. There's no room to have access to everything and be comfortable for work.